bring y'all along with cleaning my house. And it's not just my house. I'm just gonna clean my kitchen. And I'm recording this because I want to use the new products that I bought when I went couponing the other day when I brought y'all. So like I already took a shower and got ready for bed. So I hope I don't get like too dirty because then I'm gonna have to take another shower. I don't know about y'all, but like I get this like just urge of energy at night at times. And I just want to like clean and like do my homework and just like accomplish so much. So I noticed that my floor was sticky. I think there was something like in the trash bag, like at the bottom, maybe like a leak, and it had leaked on the floor and then dried up, and then people walked on it. So like I have these crazy little blacks, like you could tell it's footprints. So I want to use my new cleaning products that I just bought, the Mr. Clean that smells, the lemon one that I've never used before. And I feel so bad because I've already opened a Gain Mr. Clean scent, and now I'm gonna open a lemon Mr. Clean scent. Yeah, I feel really bad about that. But I'm like, you know what? Let's bring these people along with me today. They can help me clean. We got dishes. I told you every night I'm putting my dishes to wash in the dishwasher, and just like a whole bunch of like, come on, bruh. Like we don't need to leave that. Like it's just it's doing too much. So I was like, you know what? Let's bring the people along with me so they can make me clean. Well, not make me clean, but be with me while I clean so it will motivate me. So let's knock this stuff out. Whenever I do start to clean, I never know if I should start, like where I should start. So that will be a challenge in itself. But I do want to like share that I have stopped eating sugar, like not just processed sugar. I stopped eating like candy, fruit, everything. I did keto. I'm almost 2 weeks into keto, and I will say that I just feel refreshed in my mind. Don't get me wrong, like I want candy. No, I don't want candy. I want ice cream. I want ice cream so bad. But the way like my stomach has gone down and like I have not been having digestive issues, oh my goodness, this is probably TMI, but yeah, whatever. All right, so let's go ahead and start cleaning. Y'all come with me to help me clean, and let's see how this goes. Where should I put y'all? Where y'all can get a good view. Like this? Yeah, probably like this. washed the dishes and cleaned all the countertops off. Now I'm going to mop. So I have this, oh, that was loud. I have this O-cedar mop. So I'm gonna put a new head on the mop. And then I have the first O-cedar. So like the new ones, if you, like they don't mix like dirty water or something like that. Mine is not like that. Mine is the OG mop. So it's only one bucket in here and this is like to wring it out. So I got extra buckets. So like I can have one for clean water, one for rinsing off the mop head after it's mopped the floor, and then one that has clean water and disinfectant, which is, where you at, yo? Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, that will have this cleaner in it. So I plan on trying to finish this in less than 10 minutes. Don't know how that's gonna work, but it's gonna work. So let me get my buckets ready. I guess you'll watch me do it. You'll watch me get my buckets ready. This I might not talk in it, I might just do it. So it's not, so maybe you'll just see a montage of me doing it. I don't know. All right. You're gonna see a montage of me doing it. So yeah, because your girl can't do two things at once. All right, so this one, I'm not gonna put as much water in it because this, I might fill it up with water again, just depending on how dirty the water gets. And then, so let me show you what I have so far. So I have this one with Mr. Clean, with this Mr. Clean and water. And then this one to rinse off. And then this one will most likely, ooh, this will stay empty because I'm just using it to wring out. So I have to sweep first. So come watch me sweep. I said I wasn't gonna talk and your girl, I said I wasn't going to talk and your girl is talking more than planned. Mopping the floor. I got all the black stuff off the floor, which thank you, because whew, it was getting on my nerves. And I did it in about 10 minutes. My kitchen's not big at all, but I did it and it's about 10 o'clock, 10:09. And I just wanted to bring y'all to my nightly routine of what I do to get the kitchen closed up, so like no one's using it anymore. And then also it just feels really good to like wake up in the morning and you come to your kitchen and it's completely clean. So I'm going to let out these buckets of water. I'm going to let out these buckets of water, and usually, you know what, I put them in the sink in the bathroom, but I guess I'll just do it here right now. It wasn't really dirty. I had the thing why I didn't mop like my my breakfast room was because I literally just mopped. I just mopped the other day. On the weekend, I had just mopped. So I was like, bruh, how is there black stuff all over the floor? But I'm so glad it's picked up. Thank y'all so much for coming and doing my nightly routine. I will show y'all the kitchen. It is super clean. Look at that. Well, It was so nice, and thank y'all for sticking with me during my video. I'm so glad that I got everything cleaned up. I'm gonna put these buckets up, and I'm gonna go to sleep. And I'm glad I didn't get too dirty because your girl wasn't trying to take another shower. All right, thanks for watching my video.